In World War II, the sky was not empty. It was defended. This is the same sky, and many fates. Speed was survival. For some, speed was enough. Courage carried wings forward, even when steel was torn apart. Some survived by instinct, no hesitation, only reaction. Precision made it feared, but precision could not stop fate. Some pushed forward, not to escape, but to fight. Bombers carried missions and the weight of loss. Steel could endure much, but not everything. Built to suffer, built to return fire. Honor flew with them. Even in the storm of fire, they did not turn back. Light as air, deadly in motion. But in the storm of steel, fragility is fate. The sky chose no side. Only history remembers who passed through and who never